Hi and welcome to Add More Zest with Diamonds. My name is Rebecca and I've got some items to share with you today from CooDeals. I got they let me pick some items to share with you all, and it will be over a couple of videos. So they do always label theirs. So quite often I get, for example, Rebecca-1. So I've picked the first three rather than try and decide how to work out which one to open first. But we're starting with small. And you should wait till the next video as well. I've got a big one. But I must say, I do really like their packaging. So they sent me 6 diamond paintings in one, but not only so they had them all in bubble wrap, so the whole thing was bubble wrapped before it went into the bag, but they also used pieces of styrofoam where I had a really big long diamond painting. They popped it in so it was sort of 3 lined up. 2 or 3 lined up across the bottom and 2 or 3 on the top. They actually use styrofoam to make the whole package the same rather than just having the really long one sticking out, which could have got creased. So I must say their diamond paintings do always get to me in the most amazing condition. But first up we have this small 30 by 20. And as you can see, it says Rebecca-1. That'll be me. So this is a small one. This is in a round. And let's have a look. What's the actual size? So it is just short of 24 by 14 is the actual size of the diamond painting. But I still think it looks exactly like it's supposed to. So that's the image. It has 20 different colours and it does use numbers and then letters apart from A and B. Yeah, they're not quite in the right order, but they're close. So it goes down 1 to 9, but then it goes B, A, D, C and then E, F, G, H. There is no I. It doesn't have training wheels on the symbols, which is really good. And they send the nice white boat with the wax, the pens with multi-placers and some baggies. But what I also really like is they do send an inventory sheet, which is fantastic when it comes to kitting up. They do come in little baggies. So we've got all those gorgeous colours. For this one, of course, many of them will only need 1 or 2 bags. More than likely 1 for most of them because it is only a small painting. But that's where you can see the image a little bit bigger. We just have an eye. The most we have is 939. We have 4 of. But quite a few of them we only need 31 diamonds. But of course they're sending us a full bag. And then this sheet can be used to kit up your project, which is what I kind of like. Makes it much easier to kit one up and to know which one is which for each one. But that is painting number 1. Which one said number 2? This one is number 2. Get into the clear bag. Of course I do have an outer label, so it's quite nice if you do order a few of them, you'll know which one is which. Try and keep hold of that bag for later. So this one is number 2. Somebody spelt deals wrong when they wrote this one. This one is a 30 by 40. This one is also in round. Get the same toolkit. Look at that though, that is gorgeous. Welcome home. I love the wood style on the back. looks like it's slats of wood. Very nice. I like the fact that they're sort of printed as well. It doesn't take long for them to get shipped out either, considering they do seem to print and pack to order. Let's just get that to lie down a little bit flatter. But we have welcome home. And let's have a look. It's more of a beigey green tone of colours in this one. So you can see the different shades of colours that we've got. This one has 29 different colours, the most being 648. We have 6 bags of that one. This one does also use letters and numbers, and that's the image, though I think you can clearly see that one through the canvas. That one is very nice. Well, I like them all, but you know, every now and then you are like with one of them, it's just like, oh yes, it'd be so nice in my hallway. And then painting number 3, a bit more colour and jazz in this one. So painting number 3, we have this penguin with the Northern Lights. This one is also a 30 by 40 and also in round. Oh, those pastel colours though are amazing. Symbols are really nice. They do use the darker symbols, sorry, the white symbols on the darker colours, as you can see there on the king penguins, and then they do use the black letters on the lighter ones. Another full-size toolkit, and to have a look at the colours on this one, look at those gorgeous colours. Those turquoise with that pink and with that blue, absolutely gorgeous. So that is one side and that is the colours on the other. We've got the peachy tones. For this one, we have 25 different colours. The most, we've got 3325 and 3766, both use 9 bags. There's actually no white in this, even though of course it gives the look of white in the snow, but it's actually done with a pale blue. I do like the way this company does their kits. All we need now is the diamonds in baggies rather than in individual bags, and we'll be sorted. We've got poured glue, we've got our name on it, and we've got a nice clear canvas. Ooh. Just need the diamonds in baggies, but that is so sweet. Can you see all this black that you sort of see speckled on here? That is just the symbols for the lighter colour. Of course, as soon as you pop those down, you won't be able to see those symbols. It's really weird when you lift it up close and all you can see is a scattering of black on the penguins, which of course, as I say, won't be there once you put a diamond over the top. But that is my selection of 3 for this video. Do make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you can see the other 3 that I also got with this shipment, and that includes a rather big diamond painting in that little lot. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.